You're going to start by wrapping the band around a machine in the gym, whatever is something sturdy that can hold you. The thicker the band, the more assistance it's going to offer, which means it's going to be easier for you. As you get stronger, you can use a smaller band and then eventually use just your body weight squats. So you're going to sit back into your seat, pushing all the weight in your heels, and then at the bottom of your squat, you're going to possibly pull into the band a little bit to help you get back up until you no longer need that band assistance. Oftentimes, when people are getting comfortable with squats, it's really nerve wracking to sit back into your squat when there's nothing behind you. So you can go ahead and grab a bench or a box and put this behind you and use it as a tapping reference. Don't really try to sit down on it, but get that comfortable movement in your hips to sit back and your knees right above your shoelaces and keeping your heels on the floor. And then eventually you'll no longer need the band or the box and you'll be able to do bodyweight squats.